Hi everyone, welcome again to our channel Statistics with Faraja, and today we are going to discuss about population sample parameter and statistics. And here we have the list of questions which we are going to answer by using these four concepts, and I hope that after finishing this session you will understand what is the real meaning of population sample parameter and statistics. Let us start with population. Population simply we say is entire group of individuals or cases. So in population we use all to explain about population. It is not about people, it's not only about people, it's also about items, it's also about cases, it's also about observation. That is called population. For example, all crowds in the region, that is called population. And the second concept is the sample. When we say sample, we mean subset of population. So sample is that part that we extract from population by using sampling process. That is called sample. And another concept is parameter. Parameter and the statistics are the numbers. So parameter is the number that describes population, and the statistic is the number that describes sample. And we will see in our questions. As you can see in this diagram, Venn diagram, this is population, and we see sample is inside population. That is a simple meaning that sample is subset of population, and population is described by parameter and sample is described by statistics. And here we have the example of population and parameter. For example, here population is all National Basket Association player. Yes, as you can see. So the parameter here is average height of all NBA players, but in this case it's about sample. So the difference here in calculation, here we use population size and here we use sample size. Now let us go to the next slide to answer our questions. Thank you.